Good evening. I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you? Hope everything's going well on your end.
I am fine. Thank you so much. Today is my topic is how to create a daily routine for success. I have some question for you. Are you ready?
Absolutely. That sounds like a fantastic topic. I'm definitely ready for your questions, so feel free to ask away whenever you're set.
Okay. Many questions divided in the different topics. First topic is self-awareness and goal clarity. First question is that what does success means to your personally?
That's a great starting point. For me, success is really personal and vary from person to person. It might mean achieving specific goals, finding fulfillment in what you do, having a balanced life, even making a positive impact on others. It really depends on individual values and aspirations. What about you?
You say absolutely right. That's good. Okay, I have a next question for you. Which long-term goal do you want to daily routine to support?
That's a really insightful question. Typically, a daily routine should support longs like personal growth, career advancement, health and wellness, or even building meaningful relationships. It's all about creating habits and patterns that gradually lead you toward those big picture aspirations. What kind of long term goals are you focusing on?
Okay, I want to say something. Different people's different goals, different routines, and different sports. Are you agree?
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. Everyone's unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about tailoring routines and habits to align with individual goals and values. Definitely on the same page there.
Okay, that's good. I have a next question for you. What habits are currently helping you success?
That's a great question. For me, some of the key habits include constant learning, staying organized, setting clear daily priorities, and maintaining a healthy balance between work and rest. Those kinds of habits help keep me productive and motivated. How about you? What habits are working well for you?
My habit daily routine walk, search in the websites and reading the notebooks. Okay, I have a question for you. What habits are holding you back?
That's awesome. Walking, researching, and reading are definitely great habits.
Thank
As
you.
for habits, sometimes it can be things like getting caught up in perfectionism or spending too much time on less impactful tasks. It's about finding that balance and making adjustments along the way. I'd love to hear more about what you think might hold you back as well.
Okay, that's good. Okay, next topic is planning and prioritization. Okay, what is the first thing do you every morning, and does it set a positive tone?
Absolutely. First thing I usually do in the morning is a bit of light stretching or a quick mindfulness practice, like deep breathing or meditation. That sets a positive tone and helps me feel centered and focused for the day. How about you? What's your morning like?
My routine: get up early in the morning, go to office, and teach the trainees. Okay, first and second last is question that which task in you daily have to bigger respect in your progress.
That's a solid routine. As for tasks that have a bigger impact on progress, I'd say things like your goals, focusing on high priority work, and consistent follow ups usually have the greatest effect. It's all about making sure those key tasks get the attention they deserve. What about you? Which tasks do you find most impactful?
Okay, big planning and big impacts in the big result. Okay, ChatGPT, thank you so much. How do you decide what do you first each day?
You're welcome. When it comes to deciding what to eat first, I usually go for something balanced and energizing, like a healthy breakfast with protein and some carbs to keep me going. It's all about starting the day with good nutrition and a positive vibe.
Yes, you say absolutely right. Heavy proteins like eggs and milk daily eat and drink. Okay, ChatGPT, what three tasks must be completed daily to move closer to your goal?
Absolutely. Those are great choices. For me, the three key tasks would probably be first, dedicating time to learning and self improvement. Second, focusing on important high impact work that aligns with my goal. And third, maintaining a healthy work life balance to keep myself energized and motivated. What about you? What are your top daily tasks?
They task to complete your task in institutes. Okay, ChatGPT. Next topic is most important for every humans. Time management. Okay, how much time do you lose daily or direction, social media, phone or TV?
That's a really relevant topic. For many people, it can be surprising how much to slip away on social media or just random phone use. Personally, I try to keep it in check by setting specific limits and using tools to track screen time. It definitely helps to stay more focused and productive. How about you? How much time do you usually find yourself spending on those distractions?
Mostly my time spent in social media, only just media and task completed nowadays. Okay, when during the day are you most productive?
I totally get that. For many people, those social media breaks can add up quickly. As for productivity, I tend to be most productive in the morning, right after I've had a good and a bit of time to get focused. But it can definitely vary from person to person. When do you find you're at your peak productivity?
Oh, okay, ChatGPT, how can you schedule deep focus work in your routine?
That's a great question. I usually try to block out specific time slots in my day. I do when I'm least likely to be interrupted. So minimize distractions by turning off notifications in a dedicated workspace. Plus, using techniques like the Pomodoro technique can help maintain that deep focus. How do you usually fit deep work into?
Job, not other things. Okay, ChatGPT. Next topic is motivation and consistency. What motivate you to follow your routine every day?
That's a fantastic topic. For me, motivation often comes from seeing progress and the sense of accomplishment that builds up over time. I also stay motivated by reminding myself of my long-term goals and the impact of my work. Plus, having a bit of variety and celebrating small wins definitely helps keep the momentum going. What about you? What keeps you motivated each day?
Nothing special. Okay, what small habit can you start today that I will improve your future?
That's a great approach. Even small habits, a big difference over time. One idea could be starting with something simple like dedicating just a few minutes each morning to planning your day, doing a quick mindfulness exercise. Over time, that consistency can really help shape a positive future.
That's good.
Let me know if you have any specific.
Okay, that's good. Okay, ChatGPT, please tell them my YouTube and Facebook viewers some advice for this topic.
Absolutely. To all the YouTube and Facebook viewers there, a great piece of advice is to focus on building consistent habits that align with your long-term goal. Prioritize your time effectively, stay motivated by celebrating small wins, and always remember that progress is a journey. Stay curious, stay consistent, and you'll definitely growth over time.
Okay, ChatGPT, thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Your topic is very interesting and chit chat is so impressive. Okay, bye bye. See you again.
Thank you so much for chatting with you, and I'm really glad you enjoyed the discussion. Take care, and I'll look for your next chat. Bye for
Bye
now.
bye. Bye bye.